492, descending 10,000.
1014 off the terminal point. 900 feet, landing 3000.
AIRLINES 714, Victoria Terminal, squawk ident. Do you want more direct routing or flight time?
Just take the right side, it is 714.
AIRLINES 714, you are identified. Climb 5,000, passing 2,000. You're cleared to right to Pedro.
Direct to Pedro, passing 2,000, climb to 5,000.
Roger.
Aircat 210, vector for climb, turn left heading of 040.
Hey, 040, Canada 210.
223, see ya.
Train 23, now just 459, see ya. We were not, we were flying at our discretion. Bunker 3338, thanks. Climb 12000.
I'm 12000, I'll clear TC38.
Clear to the Topino Airport, port approach, Longview 100. What we plan to do is we plan to execute a missed approach and then cancel the IFR and then proceed VFR for landing at Topino.
Longview 100, thanks. Contact radio now 12325.
12325, how long is it?
That's approved. Lufthansa 492, contact Vancouver Terminal 1286.
Lufthansa 492, 1286, good day.
Air Canada 210, climb level 280.
Bravo 280, Canada 210.
Terminal, this is Foxtrot X-ray Papa Bravo, Cessna 150 at 2,500, just approaching Stewart Island, request 3,005 or higher to cross the water.
Roger, X-ray Papa Bravo, Victoria Terminal, squawk agent, and what's your destination?
Boundary Bay for now, X-ray Papa Bravo.
X-ray Papa Bravo, you identified, 3,500 is approved, altimeter is 3001 for Victoria.
3,500 approved, altimeter 3001, X-ray Papa Bravo.
34 for Alcan 183, by the back, bye-bye.
715 traffic, vector 12 o'clock, 6 miles, opposite direction over Stewart Island is a Cessna 150 at 2,700, they'll be climbing to 3,500.
Yeah, AIRLINES 715 is looking.
1,000, Vancouver altimeter 29999.
Continue descent 1,000 on 2999 Air Canada 4.
Roger.
Delta 145 Heavy, flight level 380.
Delta 145 Heavy, Vancouver Center, when ready, descend flight level 290.
When ready, we'll descend to flight level 290, Delta 145 Heavy.
Roger.
Zero medevac level 200, direct report to Jeff.
North Caribou 860 medevac, Vancouver Center, good afternoon. For 7 climb 7,000.
Climb 7,000, no sound, what's that?
516 identified, jet 16,000.
Victor 8516 identified, climb flight level 230.
Climb flight level 230 from Victor 8516.
Roger.
Center, good day, Caribou 2014, 0300.
North Caribou 2014, Vancouver Center, good afternoon.
Romeo call, Juliet Romeo call, flight level 280. Request direct empty to the balance of the RNAV 31.
Golf Juliet Romeo Golf, Vancouver Center, good afternoon. Proceed direct to BIMB.
Proceed direct to empty, sir, Terminal, thanks.
Okay.
Climb 16,000, no sound, what's that?
Summit 8092, contact Vancouver Center 134.8.
34.8, somebody do 90.
Leaving 5,500, clear direct to the Comox TAC and on course.
Is 10,500, climbing 16,000.
Summit 8092, Vancouver Center, climb flight level 2, climb flight level 330.
Climb flight level 330, requesting 310 for Summit 8092.
Summit 8092, okay, stop climb flight level 310.
Climb flight level 310, Summit 8092.
And until you're able direct heading 300.
Able direct heading 30, channel for
United descent for 9,000. We have a Romeo planning the ILS 09.
Yeah, on course, lead us here. Golf Yankee Mike Papa, thanks, Internet.
WestJet 171-320 Yankee.
Push 171, thanks, Internet.
Vancouver, WestJet 449, flight level 30, clear down 290 with whiskey.
Push 449, thanks, Internet. I'm showing runway 08 information.
Okay, we have whiskey now, but we checked that WestJet 449.
For now, when ready, descend flight level 310.
Okay, for now, discussion of 310, about scale 130.
Roger.
25.1.
25, yes. 1 for Lima's here.
Central Town 47, 1000, climbing 16,000, direct to Comox TAC.
Alcan 147, Vancouver Center, climb flight level 180.
Climb flight level 180, channel for
Roger.
Flight frequency 1338.
Alaska 130, continue descent, flight level 190.
Continue descent, flight level 19.
Hello, they're showing runway 15.
Let's pick up Kilo, Turbo 580,
We're restricted speed 250.
Air Canada 8 Heavy, Victoria Terminal, Vancouver altimeter 2999er, and that'll be 08 the last minute.
08 left 2999, Air Canada 8.
Air Canada 8, speed's at your discretion.
Okay, reject speed or discretion, Air Canada 8.
Blake, Yankee Whiskey Lima on course.
Good, William Blake on course, I'll count 1 for south.
descend 12,000, 12,000, Vancouver, altimeter 2999er.
Descend 12,000, 2999 for North Cable 201, thank you.
Roger.
Joe and rest of routing unchanged.
Roger that extra in, left was unchanged, clearing at 07 to exit.
Roger.
We're WestJet 715-380, the Yankee 79 or better. Push 715, Vancouver Center, good data, you proceed direct to stave on course when ready to descend level 290. Direct stave on course when ready 290, WestJet 715. Push 715, roger, transition speed 310, not to greater, keep number 1. Okay, 310 and better, WestJet 750. Correct.
Passing 11.2 for 16,000.
United 387, Vancouver Center, good data view, climb maintain 280.
I maintain 280, 938.
WestJet 171, terminal 286.
26, WestJet 171.
092, okay, make the request with Vancouver on 134.4.
1344, somebody 090.
Vancouver, good afternoon, Air Canada 120 with you out of 7,000 for 16,000 on the Vancouver Center.
Vancouver Center, Summit 8092, flight level 294, climbing 300, requesting 320 as a final.
8092, Roger, class level 320.
Class level 320, somebody 092.
346, Roger.
072 request.
Korean Air 072, go ahead.
Request climb up to flight level 340, please.
Korean Air 072, Roger, climb flight level 340.
Climb flight level 340, ready on 076, cancel.
Roger.
10, I will ask you to start down now, please.
Flight level 210, we'll start down now at Canada 305.
For the point grey arrival, Charlie, I'll you right.
No, of course, Canada 307.
Center now, 3235. You can request more direct air.
That's 3235, passenger 074.
Developing 373, clear direct on 9 YDB.
Good turn to 9 on the 373.
Harbor 611 seconds, Harbor. That's it, right.
That's what I went on for Vancouver Center. Hello, Yankee Venus, runway 08.
What? Can I clear kind of 118 heavy out of 8,000 for 16,000 runway heading?
Channel 118, head Vancouver, sending a decline 280.
I'm flight level 280, kind of 118.
And 147, next sector's got some traffic, so we'll need to reroute you over to the Prince George BO.
Terminal radar identified, climb 13,000.
I'm at 13,000, that was 36.
Airbus 3369, Roger, turn right direct Jacob on course.
Press the Jacob for Skyward. Vancouver Center, good afternoon, Jazz 274 with you at 10,300 16,000,
Drop 274, Vancouver Center, hello, clear direct to CCAB on course, climb flight level 190.
I could direct CCAB on course, climb maintaining flight level 190 to 274.
Roger.
With you 7,700, 16,000, we're steering 090.
WESTJET 118, climb 280.
280, wish at 118, thanks. Quebec 373, turn left heading 270, expect one more turn to final. Representative 270, not a 370. 118.
U100, radar services terminated. Contact Comox terminal now, 1237. See ya.
Wind is currently showing 340 at 3. Visibility is 8. RVR for runway 09 is greater than 6,000 feet. Light setting 3. Heavy rain showers. Ceiling is broken at 2,000 feet with TCUs and overcast 3,500.
Now, 1326.
326 now, have a good day. C-GWJG, remember.
Still backed up here for the runway change. So continue turn and roll out direct stay to the balance of the Canuck arrival, please. Thanks again. Resume normal speed, sir.
Normal speed and right turn, and then we'll go back to safe Skype 296. Russia 191, we'll take slower when we can get it.
Russia 191, descend and maintain 11,000. The Hope altimeter is 29906.
Okay, clear down to 11,000, Russia 191.
3, descend, maintain 17,000. Vancouver altimeter is 29908.
Descend 17,000, 2998 here, Canada 113.
Skylink 2777, what is the speed now?
155, Skylink 277, that's the best.
Right.
77, after state, fly heading 245, that'll be vectors for Vancouver.
After state, fly heading 245 vectors for Vancouver, coming to 777.
Pasco 458, descend maintain 11,000.
Descend maintain 11,000, Pasco 458.